Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the SBI Securities Daily Morning Podcast. So, it was a weak session yesterday with global cues being on the weaker side and higher FII selling. And compared to the FII selling, the DII buying was comparatively less. So, that led to a correction in the Indian markets yesterday. So, the Nifty was down, ended lower 0.7%. The mid cap index was relative outperformer, down just 0.3%, while the small cap index also ended 0.4% lower. Among the major gainers yesterday were Tata Motors, HDFC Life, Cipla, Bharti Airtel, ITC and Dr. Reddy, while on the losing side we had LTI, Mindtree, Asian Paints, Apollo Hospitals, Infosys, JSW Steel and Ultratech Cement. Sectorally, the healthcare index was in the green, marginally up 0.2%, while the other sectors were in the red. The metal index down 2%, the IT index down 1.8%, oil and gas down 1.5%, realty index down 1.2%. In terms of market breadth, 1800 stocks on the advancing side to 2083 stocks on the declining side. So declining side having the advantage yesterday. 122 stocks scaled 52-week highs with names such as Atul Limited, Serra Sanitaryware, HFCL, Imagica, KFintech, Natco Pharma and VMart Retail, while on the 52-week low side there were 27 stocks trading at 52-week lows. Coming to the institutional flows, FIIs net sold 2600 crores yesterday, while DIIs net bought only 577 crores in the cash market yesterday. In terms of global cues, so global cues are very strong today. So the US markets ended, all the indices ended 1.8 to 2.3% higher. This is after the weekly jobless claims data yesterday came way lower than expectations. So indicating that the weakness in the economy as suggested by the US jobs data last week is not as weak as expected, and Asian markets also are reacting positively to this, and the gift nifty is also suggesting a gap up opening for the Indian markets today. In terms of the key results today, so we are at the fag end of the earnings season. So names such as Aarti Industries, Alchem Laboratories, Bharat Dynamics, Berger Paints, Concord Biotech, Shipping Corporation, SJVN, Trent, as well as a lot of other mid and small caps, as well as a few large caps such as Jubilant Foodworks will be and Grasim Industries will be reporting their numbers today. In terms of the key result reactions, so Birla Corp reported weak set of numbers. Revenue was down 9%, EBITDA was down 13%, and net profit was down 45% YOY. So among the weakest numbers in the cement space in this quarter. So expect negative reaction on Birla Corp. Global Health, the revenue was up 10%, the EBITDA was up just 1%, and the net profit also was up just 4%. So neutral to negative for Global Health. JB Pharma reported strong set of numbers with EBITDA up 22% and net profit up 25% YOY. So strong numbers from JB Pharma. Sandhar Technologies reported very strong set of numbers. EBITDA up 18% and net profit up 32% YOY. Ircon International reported weak set of numbers. Revenue was down 18%, EBITDA was down 2%, and net profit was up 20% up. So mixed set of numbers. Expect a neutral to negative reaction for Ircon International. Vatek Wabag reported a strong set of numbers. Net profit was up 10%, EBITDA was up 24% YOY. So strong numbers from Vatek Wabag. Good numbers from Galaxy Surfactants as well. Signs of turnaround in the chemical business. Net profit up 7% YOY. Timken India reported strong set of numbers. Container Corporation, decent set of numbers. Astral Limited, decent set of numbers. LIC also reported decent set of numbers. The net premium income was up 16% YOY and the net profit was up 9% YOY. VNB margin improved to 13.9%. Eicher Motors also reported a strong set of numbers with improvement in margin and realization. ABB India, very strong set of numbers. EBITDA up 56% YOY and net profit up 50% YOY. So strong numbers again from ABB India. Oil India reported weak set of numbers. Net profit was down 14% QOQ, and the EBITDA also was down 4% QOQ. So expect negative reaction for Oil India. Strong numbers from Mayur Uniquoters as well. Biocon India reported weak set of numbers. Weak set of numbers from New India Assurance as well. GSPL reported strong set of numbers, while Steel Authority SAIL also reported weak set of numbers where net profit was down 62% YOY. Coming to the stock specific news, so GAIL will be in focus. The company and Rajasthan Vidyut Utpadan Nigam have joined hands to optimize the operations of Rajasthan Nigam's gas-based power plants in Rajasthan. So neutral to positive for GAIL. HCL Tech will be in focus. The company has just announced an acquisition of a company in Europe. So HCL Tech will be in focus. Paramount Communications, the company has approved fundraising up to 400 crores via QIP or other means. So positive for Paramount Communications as well. In terms of new listing today, Ola Electric will be listing today at issue price of 76 rupees per share. The IPO was subscribed 4.3 times. So a new listing in the electric vehicle space today. In terms of block deals, so DCW saw a block deal while Albula Investment Fund bought 0.8% stake at 71.4 rupees per share yesterday. In terms of the bulk deals, Standard Chartered Bank sold a 3.1% stake in Protein Egov Technologies at 1800 rupees per share, and this was a clean out trade where Standard Chartered Bank has now completely exited Protein Egov Technologies. So that stock will be in focus. TCNS Clothing, TAFDI Investors has sold 2.4% stake in TCNS Clothing. In terms of the corporate action, so key stocks going ex dividend today are KC International, Kolte Patil Developers, KPIT Tech, NetWeb Technologies, Kalyan Jewelers, Arvind Fashions, JNK Bank, JK Lakshmi Cement, Hindalco, SIAT, Endurance Technologies, Ramco Cements, Varun Beverages, Tega Industries, Vandala Holidays, and Bombay Burma Trading Corporation. So that's it from the fundamental side in the podcast today. Thank you for listening. Have a great trading session. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.